Hello, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic and today I'm excited to be showing you around this lovely example of a 2017 67 reg Land Rover Discovery Sport. Now this is the HSE model, so it comes with all the bells and whistles inside, looks absolutely fantastic. This particular vehicle is finished in Fuji white. We've got the contrasting Santorini black roof with the panoramic glass roof as well, which is a lovely thing to have. Contrasting mirror caps, we've got privacy glass to the rear. We've got gloss black accents all throughout the vehicle, as well as bright silver detailing to the front grille. You've got gloss black on your fog lamp surrounds, but a nice looking car. Obviously LED daytime running lights with the headlamp wash. We've got front and rear parking sensors with the reversing camera. Alloy wheels wise, we're riding on these lovely 19-inch 5 twin spoke alloys, finished in a fantastic sparkle silver. I mean, when the sunshine hits them, they look absolutely superb. Now, obviously, if you wanted to, we could have them powder coated as well. So if you wanted them to match the roof and the mirror caps, we can have them powder coated to black at extra cost. But the bodywork, looking around it, all the panels seem to be in absolutely fantastic order. No signs of any sort of large dents or dings, no sort of large scratches that would deter you from buying the vehicle. We've got the HSE badges to the back, obviously electric tailgate, so press of a button and that just glides up like so. These Discovery Sports, this is a 7-seater model, so you've got the extra 2 seats in the boot. They're very nice and easy to operate. I'll just keep them up for the moment, just as I show you the condition of the seats, as I think they've never really been used. So looking at the middle row of seats, they're in fantastic order. So we've got seating for 3 here, we've got Isofix in the bottom for the child seats, we've got central armrest and cup holders, as well as a bit of storage. In the back here as well, we've got netting. Backs of the front seats, they're in nice order. We've got a 12-volt power outlet at the bottom, so if you've got children or you've got people in the rear, quite often they can charge their phones and tablets as you're driving along. Now looking at the back seats, I think you'll agree they're in absolutely fantastic order. Like I said, they don't look like they've actually been satin, so that's a nice little thing as well. Putting the seats back is nice and easy. Obviously it's all on rails, so if you wanted more leg room for the rear passengers, you can move this full row of seats forward, back to accommodate. And then putting the seats down, nice and easy, literally just pull of a lever, the headrest falls down, and then so does the seat. So as you can tell, you've got a bit of storage there with the seats up, with the seats down, storage then amplifies. So nice storage area, nice and wide, deep boot. You've got all your tyre components within there. You've got another 12-volt power outlet in the rear. You've got nice easy release buttons for the middle row of seats if you wanted to drop them down. But then jumping inside, going into the driver's side, obviously the driver's seat is where you tend to pick up most of your wear over time. The bolsters, so looking at those first, as you can tell, absolutely exceptional order, superb. Inside it doesn't smell like it's ever been smoked in, doesn't smell like it's ever had any pets. Obviously most of these cars are bought as family vehicles, so they do get used for family purposes and over time do tend to get a bit bitty, but this is definitely the exception. We've got 4 electric windows with the child lock for the rear, park folding mirrors, we've got Meridian surround sound all throughout the vehicle, electric seats for driver and passenger. These seats are also heated as well. So foot on the brake, press the starter button, the vehicle is supplied with both keys, so you're sorted there. Full electric power blind for that lovely panoramic glass roof. But then once you're inside, the HSE specification is very impressive. So we've got a full leather multifunction steering wheel, and on this you'll find your voice command, Bluetooth phone, volume and media controls. Then you'll also find your cruise control and speed limiter on the other side. We've got the flappy paddles for the gearbox, as this one is powered by the silky smooth 8-speed automatic box. Automatic lights and automatic wipers, full onboard computer, and this is a low mileage car, so as we're doing the video it's only covered 36,643 miles. Now coming through to the center display, all very nice and easy to use, so you can use the buttons down the sides or you can use the actual touchscreen itself. So we've got a full DAB radio with all the extended channels. We've got our telephone there, really nice and easy to connect. Obviously you've got the Bluetooth music streaming as well. Climate control, so you can adjust all that as well. This car does come with the satellite navigation, and then you've got your extra features. So we've got camera, eco data, 4x4 information, and you've got your valet mode as well. Heated front seats, digital dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. You've got your full selectable driving mode, so normal, all-terrain, sand, gravel, etc. Hill descent, traction control, central cup holders, both of those keys as I mentioned before. There's just the yellow sticker on one of them that needs peeling off. You've got a bit of hidden storage underneath the cup holder, as well as a 12-volt power outlet or a 5-volt power outlet. In there you've got your satellite navigation SD card, so that's definitely something to look out for when you're buying one of these vehicles. The SAT NAV isn't built in, so you can buy these vehicles without the SD card and without the sort of SAT NAV pre-installed. Then you've got your USB, aux and another 12-volt power outlet. Plenty of outlets on this one, but a lovely car, and I think you'll agree. So as I said, bodywork wise, nice car, interior nice car, never been smoked in, fantastic specification being the HSE. So if you'd like anything further on this vehicle, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231 123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. At the moment we are trying to work via appointments, so please do get in touch before travelling down. We'll happily book you in. I always recommend having a look at our reviews. So on Auto Trader we're a 5-star dealer. We've got over 500 5-star reviews which are all made by verified purchases. A lot of those people have travelled a distance from London, from Scotland and even abroad to buy our vehicles. So I definitely recommend having a read. But thank you for watching the video. Anything further, please do get in touch. On sales there's myself, Dominic, there's also my colleagues Graham and Lee, so any one of us would be happy to help you. But thank you for watching and we look forward to your inquiry.